We are now going to look at more advanced features of the Consolidated Rota. You may on occasions need to split a cover shift between one or more staff members. Remember, we are trying to maintain an accurate record of the staff attending work and the shifts they are working. In this example, we have a staff member absent called Jen Jones. However, she has now telephoned work to say that she is actually able to work until 1 p.m. We need to adjust the cover. If we select the cover value, the cover shift screen will be shown. The top half of the screen shows a staff member who is absent. The bottom section is where we define who is covering the shift. What we actually need to do in this example is for Jen Jones herself to cover up until 1 p.m. Then the remainder of the shift needs to be available for other people to cover. The names listed of the available staff will only be staff who are not working or not absent. We cannot select Jen Jones' name, as she is currently marked as absent for this day. To select her name, we must first check the box marked Show Me All Staff. We can now select Jen Jones from the list. The next thing we must do is to adjust the cover value. Jen has said that she can only work until 1 p.m. We must adjust the cover to the correct shift, 07:30 until 1 p.m. When we tab to the next field, we will then get two options. At this point, we can either split the shift so that further shifts can be covered, or we can mark the remainder as cover not required. Cover not required shifts will not be shown to staff members as available shifts. For this example, we will split the shift as we want to cover the remainder. Once the cover has been processed, you will see that your consolidated rota has now been updated. Jen Jones is now covering her own shift up until 1 p.m, shown in yellow. The remainder of the cover, a 1 to 4 shift, is available for further cover. In this example, a second member of staff, Stephen Jones, has said they can work a 2 to 4. To enter this cover, we select the remaining cover again. We repeat our previous process, selecting the staff member who will be doing the cover and adjusting the cover shift value if it needs to be adjusted. However, in this case, we're going to mark the remainder of the cover as not required. You can now see that the consolidated rota has been updated to reflect the shifts that each staff member has been able to work.